What is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to try and make this fuck-ass, ugly-ass Dodge Charger run. So, I took this hose off. This is the part that's fucked up. This end, it's like balding and shit in here. So I don't know where I am right now, but I went to O'Reilly's, asked if they had the hose or this part, and they gave me this location called Les Hall Filter. I'm looking at it right now. So I bought this. This is a hose I needed, $29. I was gonna buy this isn't a hose, some type of fitter, I don't know, but I was gonna buy the whole hose, and the guy was like, all right, the whole hose and the fitters 80, like up to 90 bucks. And I was like, hold on, why the fuck am I buying the whole hose when all I need is this shit? So I asked him, like, yo, do you just sell this thing by itself? He's like, yeah, it's 29 bucks. I was like, all right, I'll just grab that instead. But does it fit? So I made sure it fit, and it fit. So I'll probably install this when I get home after work. I got to get the crankshaft position sensor, and I hope the car starts after that and it's drivable, because once it does, I don't know if I want to put new rims on it, because that shit is so ugly. You know, lower it maybe a bit, cheap lowering springs or some shit. I'm probably not going to do any of that. I'm just saying what I want to do to the car, but most likely it's going to go to for sale right away. Maybe I'll just detail it from the inside real good, wash the carpets. The seats are really fucked up, so I have no idea what the fuck I'm going to do with that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace. What is up, guys? I just got off work. I look hella weird, but my hair's so flat because of my hoodie. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the car real quick. I'm gonna put this type of tape on the threads just so it doesn't seize up. And tomorrow morning I'm gonna have to drive to the shop, pick up some tools to put in the crankshaft position sensor. So I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna put on the new tip. Sounds weird, but yeah, this is the old one. The other one's black. I'm gonna do that real quick. So it's not tape. I don't know what it's called, Teflon or something. I have no idea if I'm saying it wrong, then my bad. But I put some of this on the tip, and now I'm just gonna screw it on real quick, like this. I need 2 hands for this shit, so I'll just record when I'm done. All right, so I got it tied in as much as it was able to go. I wasn't trying to break it, but I used 2 of these wrenches to hold one here and then twist it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the car. It's dark as shit outside and it's fucking hella cold, so I'm gonna try to do it real quick. So don't mind all the walnuts or whatever the fuck this is, but there's like squirrels living in here or something. But I'm gonna go ahead and connect this tip on to that one. I think that's as tight as it goes. Huh? You decided to fix it or tear it up? I'm finally fixing it, bro. Yes, sir. Alright, so that thing is on. And also I forgot to show you guys, when it was windy, I parked under a fucking like walnut tree or some shit. Sorry guys, my fucking burp is coming out, and it fucking cracked the windshield. It fucking sucks. I told the previous owner, he was like, bro, that shit was brand new. But let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. I doubt it, but let's see. Yeah, I don't know what it's doing, but it's not starting. What up, guys? After months and months and months, I'm finally gonna try to fix a fucking Dodge after months and months and months, fucking 1 year later. I've been having the crankshaft position sensor in my fucking drawer for like a whole bunch of months, like I'm saying. So I'm finally home. I didn't bring the right tools, which I kind of fucked over. I forgot to bring a fucking car jack as well. I literally pulled it out the fucking shop and left it in the fucking street. Not the street, just outside the shop, and I forgot that shit. So if that shit falls on me, I am fucking dead. So hopefully not, because I want to drive this shit. So So I'm gonna go in, grab the crankshaft position sensor, jack up the car. I'm gonna need to take the starter off, and behind the starter is a crankshaft position sensor. So hopefully with this sensor, I am able to finally drive this piece of shit car, or, you know, fix it for now, because I still gotta put the interior in. I've been slacking on that. My interior is in the fucking cave-in. I need to clean it out. I hope it's not moldy. All right, I talk too much. I'll catch y'all later. Peace. And I'm probably not gonna record because there's some fuckers outside working on another car. So yeah, I'm just gonna record when I'm done fixing it, or secretly, silently record. All right, peace. Oh, my dumbass forgot the fucking ratchet. Luckily, these were in the fucking car. Oh my god, so much dirt and shit. And I'm so close to the shit. You guys are seeing in a wide angle. Fuck, that went in my mouth. Fuck. All right, I got this shit off. Dude, thank God I really have ratchets, or wrenches sitting in the fucking cars. Over there is my Honda Civic. I have a fucking 10mm wrench, and that's a 10mm right there for the sensor. And my hands are shaking like fucking hella, bro. I got no space. Holy fuck, I got this little jack. Man, it's time. It is fucking time. I just tightened up those fucking last 3 starter bolts. I'm gonna plug in the fucking battery. Hopefully it's fucking charged, bro. Alright guys, let's see. We're done with the battery. Oh shit. It's time for the fucking truth. Will this shit start, or will it be fucking lame and not start? Holy cow. Holy cow. Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna call somebody. Hold on. Guys, this drives like shit. Look at this. I'm in a fucking lawn chair. I think the wheel bearings are bad. But bro, I'm about to go put fucking air in this tire. Oh, that sounds really bad. That sounds really fucking bad. Holy cow. Okay guys, I'll record when I hope everything goes well. I really hope so, but I'll be back. Yeah guys, look at the shock. It's fucked. Good thing I got new ones, but it's fucked. Alright, I'm at the gas station. I got fucking gas and it's leaking oil from I have no fucking clue where. Like legit no clue. And I don't know if this shit has any coolant. I fucking forgot. Okay guys, well I was right. Look, this shit is overheating. Almost close to overheating. Holy fuck. And I had this shit running for a pretty good amount of time. Está bien sucio. Here's the one. Ah, damn, he's just revving the fuck out of it when it's cold. No, eso no. Lo tienes que manejar para escuchar, no sé. See his hair's just fucking sticking out. What the hell? Well guys, end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next video will be me putting in a new interior. It's not new interior, it's used and shit, but way better than the interior I used to have. You guys are wondering like, when the fuck did you take the interior off? Well, I was gonna put this all in one video, but I'm just gonna make separate videos just because I'm slacking on recording. I just don't have time for the other cars. I'm not saying I have time for this one, but I just want to get done with this one so I could sell it. So yeah, maybe like 2 more videos on this car and I'm gonna sell it, I guess. But look at this. I washed it and it came out pretty nice. Looks very dewy. But we got some clear coat peeling here. The spoiler is really bad. There's a lot of swirls all over the paint, but yeah, this is how it looks. And the rims, bro, I hate the rims, but they look clean as fuck. I've always seen them dirty. Never this clean. This is the spoiler. It's really bad. It was not this bad when I first brought it in, but it's been sitting for a year under trees in the rain and the sun, so it's really fucked up. But hey, who cares? Not me. Still a whole bunch of dings and dents, and you can see scratches. It needs a buff, polish, compounding, the swirls. Just, you know, remove the swirls because it's a lot, as you can see. Well, guys, this is exactly why I didn't want to fucking dual pull on it. We're in reverse only, and only fucking reverse works. That is fucking crazy. Like, this shit doesn't want to go and drive anymore. Look. Go and drive, you don't even hear a shift or anything. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna need to push this down the hill. And the fucking e-brake doesn't work either. I don't understand. So I'm just gonna make the fucking tires hit the fucking curb because it doesn't stay in park. Look, it's in park and I'm still rolling frontwards. So there you go. We're parked, crooked as fuck, but yeah, I don't know. And the e-brake, it just doesn't work. So fuck that. I'm gonna just leave it here. And that's the end of the Dodge. What the fuck, bro? I don't know. I just know that this shit popped out. This one right here. What the fuck?
Why they wanna be like you? Metro, why they wanna be like you? Hello, why they wanna be